Hi guys, it's early today. I woke up early and decided to go outside pretty soon because it's gonna be very hot. I was removing the peas. I harvested the last bowl because it was taking but a pretty serious amount of powder mildew. I'm gonna remove this now from the ground. I'm not. That's something you shouldn't do. Never ever leave your diseased crops with diseases nearby the rest of your crops because it's gonna spread badly. So you shouldn't do that. But what it interested me and I wanted to share is the roots of the peas that I removed. And let's come here, that is not sunny. It's full of nodes. These plants are in the Leguminose family. This means, or pea family, some people call them, or legume family, and they are normally the ones that provide us with a legume, and they fix nitrogen from the atmosphere into the ground, and they put them into these nodes that you can see here. And once they degrade, or like now I cut the plant, they're gonna put the nitrogen back into the ground, and I'm amazed about the amount of them. It's pretty awesome. I'm tempted to bury this back into the ground and sorry, so the soil where you put legumes is gonna be pretty and nicely fertilized. Look, this is wonderful to see what's going on in the ground. Look at this fella. Let's remove that caterpillar. That's soon gonna feed the birds. So I thought it was pretty cool, and I wanted to share with you the nodes where the plant fixes nitrogen into the ground. They do it via a bacteria which is called Rhizobacter. I think that's the right name. There are different ones, different species, but the most common one is Rhizobacter, like we say it in Spanish, Rhizobacter. And so I thought I would share it with you. If you see this in the ground, don't be afraid. There's nothing wrong with your crops. It's just the nodes where the nitrogen was fixed. Just wanted to share that with you. I hope you have a good day. As you know, you can always write us with questions. We will try to answer as soon as possible. We can connect via our website, www.bayareakitchengardens.com, or join our Facebook group. We all have questions. We try to answer them. We help each other. It's great. And you can subscribe to our newsletter, and you will receive a document that will help you grow your crops from seeds. See you next time. Bye.